It's always a good day when you have a Stitch Fix day. Oh my gosh, I just came inside. My hair's like, who cares? Hey everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing. Okay, let me tell you about Stitch Fix and this particular box. I just had a video 2 weeks ago and the box was a little disappointing. I mean, the style was not bad, I have to say. The styles were nice, they're just not my style. Also, I don't know if you guys have seen that video. If not, I'll post it up here. I did not receive my paperwork for my particular box. Let me go ahead and open this while I'm talking to you. So I called customer service. Stitch Fix has the best customer service, let me tell you. And the gentleman that I spoke to was very helpful, very nice. He emailed me the correct paperwork that wasn't, I actually had Anna, I think, paperwork for her box, and she probably had mine. So he emailed it to me, very nice. And at the time, he also asked me how I liked the items that were in the box. So we talked about it, and I said they're very nice, but they're just not my style. I had requested a different stylist, but I gave him 2 names that I had requested at some point, and apparently they weren't available because I got someone else, which I think she did a good job, just not my style. So he asked me if they could send me a replacement box, and I said yes, that would be great. So that's what this box is. And he was going to see about getting one of the stylists that I had requested. Okay, this box came FedEx. I don't remember it coming FedEx before, but when you return it, they give you a self-addressed prepaid envelope and it goes to the post office. So I don't know if that's just something new they're doing. I can't remember. I guess so many boxes I don't remember. So in the style note, you can, on Stitch Fix, you can leave a note for the stylist on things that you're looking for. And since I had put everything before of what I didn't want, I updated my style profile. All I did is ask for a complete outfit. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so that's the back story on this particular box. They always give you this nice little envelope with ways to style whatever's in your box. And let me see who my stylist is. Emma. I had requested Emma, so that's nice. Okay, great. All right, I'm not going to read everything right here, and I don't want to look at that. So we'll see how Emma did. I'm excited. And here's the prices. The total box is $362. If I buy all 5 items, 25% discount, which is $90.50. My subtotal is $271.50. I do have the Style Pass. If you guys aren't familiar with the Style Pass, what that is there's an opportunity that is given to certain people. I'm not sure how they do it because I've requested it and was denied. And then all of a sudden, one day they popped up and offered it to me. It's I think it's $49.50, something like that, for a year. So you pay that one time. It is applied to purchases that you make. And otherwise, you have a $20 styling fee. Now, if you use my link, my referral link, we both of us, you guys and me, receive a $25 credit to be used. So, ooh, red, that's some colors. That's not, I have red on today. Here we go, that's a better view. No telling. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Shoes. Shoes are always tricky. I love receiving them, but let's do the shoes first. I feel like I can breathe now. Okay, gym shoes. Oh, these are different. These are KEDS. Oh, Kate Spade. Whoa, Kate Spade gym shoes. I am not a print person, but we will try these on with the outfit. I'm assuming an outfit is in here. They're kind of cute. I like KEDS. So I already have, actually a couple of the gym shoes that I have are from Stitch Fix that I've kept. But that doesn't really mean that I want to keep receiving them. If you know what I mean. All right, let's see. This is by, well, I don't have my glasses on. I don't want to put them on. Oh, this is a sweater. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, aren't we getting into spring? Okay, well, let's see what the outfit is. I asked for a complete outfit. Let me fix that. Looks a little big, but you never know. I've shown larger sweaters before and they actually fit. It's very pretty. Look at the pretty color. I like the, looks like maybe 3/4 sleeve, so maybe this is good for going in the spring. It's got the V-neck. It looks awful big, but it's probably supposed to be worn oversized. We'll see. Okay, this looks like a pretty color. More of a, I don't know, like a rust or something. Oh, okay, it's a cardigan. It's pretty. It's different. I'll have to see it on. I don't think I can wear it over the top of that sweater, so I hope there's something else in the box that will work. This is actually pretty. Look at the detail of it. I mean, this is kind of, it's not like just a sweater. It's, I don't even know what you call that. And then, see, you can kind of see through the back. And then the front, oh, it's got the front pockets. Not a front pocket, really girl, but okay, well, you know, we'll try it on. It's kind of cute because it's different. It's just different. Red. Oh, this feels heavy. This feels more like a sweater. A sweater? I wanted a red cardigan. I said that in one of my requests. Oh, another cardigan. Another cardigan. All right, well, this one is thicker. It's more like a sweater material. It's got the front pocket also. I'm not crazy about this one. But again, you don't know till you try it on. Okay, where's my outfit? Shorts. Okay, so wait a minute. What are these? These are, who are these by? Liverpool. Oh, these look small. They look like they'll be a good line for me. Yeah. Rolled hem. Do they come undone? Oh no, they don't come undone. They're attached. Okay. Well, let's try them on. First 3 pieces. Okay, let's talk about this sweater. This is by French Connection, and it's called the Janice. It's really a very soft, pretty sweater. I do have a cami on underneath it, so I should have put a colored one on so you could see. It is a little low. Love the feel of it, love the concept of this, and I like that the sleeve is ribbed and the rest of the sweater is just solid. I do like the V-neck. The sleeves are full size. I thought maybe they were only going to be 3/4, but they are full size. It has the ribbing on the bottom of the hem along with the slit. It's just so big. I feel like I'm swallowed up in it. It's so pretty though. I don't know, I kind of like it. Let's just put, I don't know what it is about this. Maybe it's the color, the feel of it is so soft. It's just probably too, it looks like I'm gonna fly. It's just too big for me, I think. And if I went down a size, this is not going to change. I don't know. I'll have to watch the footage back and get your comments on it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, the shorts. The shorts are Liverpool. They're called the Kristy. They fit okay. I mean, they are my size. Of course, when I put them on at first, you know, I've got all this kind of stuff going on top. It's almost like a muffin is cooking and it boils over. That's what I have. I know we all have our issues, and I hide mine with my clothes, so I don't show that to you guys. I mean, they fit well. I wish that the cuff, I wish that this would roll down more, but it's attached. I know I could take it off, but honestly, do you think I need another pair of same wash shorts? And these are only, I think I have a couple pair in the laundry. So I wish they were a little more, I wish there was some distressing or something on that were a little different, because obviously I already have this type of shorts. So, but they fit well, and they're the Liverpool. Okay, let's talk about these shoes. The shoes are very comfortable. Of course, they're KEDS. They're cute, they're different. They are comfortable. And the shoes come with extra shoestrings. This is more of a, kind of like a knit or a fabric, kind of like a knit, like a regular cotton shoestring. And the shoes actually are more, the ones that are in here now, are more, they're a thinner, kind of like a ribbon on them. So, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so what do I have left? I have 2 cardigans to try on, so hang on. This is by LIVERPOOL. Haven't heard of LIVERPOOL. This is called the Adelle, and they say the color is coral, but it looks more like a rust color to me. It's very pretty. It is soft. It has the front pocket. It has all the detail with the crocheting, which is pretty. The slits on the side. It's a great length. I love this length of a sweater. The front pockets, the sleeve length is nice. It has the ribbing on the sleeve that is separate. I like the way it's cut instead of just going straight down. It's a cute sweater, cardigan. Looks like a piece that you would wear going into fall with the color instead of spring, to me. I don't know, but it's not, it fits perfect. It's a great fit. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay, one more cardigan, I'll be right back. Okay, this is by Skies Are Blue, and it's called the Belinda Cable Knit, and it feels so heavy compared to the last one. The last one was really light. If the last one was a brighter color for spring, it would be perfect. This feels like winter to me. It's thick, it's soft, it's a beautiful color. Of course, the ribbing here, it's got the cable knit kind of throughout with the kind of like these kind of like triangle designs. It feels big. It's a size small, but you know, I'm sure it's supposed to be oversized. And after having the other one on, you know, it did, but I think it fits well. Yeah, this fits good. It's got the front pockets. Does it have the slit? No slit. The design is a little different, kind of, you've got, goes straight down there. don't know what to say. It just feels warm. It kind of feels like winter. The color's pretty though. Okay, let's do a real quick review. I think Emma did a good job for her very first fix together. The question is, are there any keepers in this box? So let's go over each item, go over the pricing, I'll give you my thoughts, and I'm looking forward to hearing your comments on what do you guys think. All right, the gym shoes. Okay, these are KEDS. They are by Spade, and they are $110. Okay, I thought they were cute, they fit. I have either 3 or 4 other pair of KEDS, but they're all in the neutral family. I think I have one light gray pair, medium gray. So, I mean, these could dress up, just a pair of shorts and a top, which that's what I wear a lot in the summer. So I don't know, are they worth $110? What do you guys think of these? I'm kind of on the fence. $110 is pretty pricey. I'm not sure, I won't reach for these all the time, so I don't know. I have to watch the video back. Okay, let's talk about this. Whoops. Okay, the tags got all tangled. Okay, the white French connection. This is, oops, I'm just having problems over here today. This is $78. I love the concept of it. I wish it wasn't so boxy and big. I mean, I like dolman sleeves, so I like a little extra room, but it just, the way that it hung, it just looked too big. It's just totally not my style to wear anything that boxy. Although I really like it, but I don't think I'll reach for it because it's just, even if I size down, you're still gonna have that square box look, and it's just not a look that I go for. So that is going to be a no. Let's see, what else? Okay. The Liverpool shorts, $58. They are the Kristy. I mean, they fit, they're a little shorter than what I normally wear. And I wish that this, rolled down. I wish there was a little something to them. I can always use another pair of denim shorts, but I want something different because obviously, I have this. So I don't really need another pair. So those are going to be a no. What's next? The Love ELLIE Adelle 2-pocket cardigan, $48. I mean, this is cute, but it's just not a color I want to go into spring with. I mean, it's more of a fall, it's lightweight. I mean, it's very pretty, but I'm not excited. I mean, I have colorful cardigans in my closet that I'll reach for before I reach for this. So that's a no. And then the last item is the red Skies Are Blue Belinda cable knit, $68. Okay, this is, it's cute, but right now, no, I don't need it. Like this sweater that I have on right now is so much lighter than this. So I don't need it. And I'm not gonna spend money on things that I don't need right now unless I absolutely fall in love with it. So I don't know, those are my 5 items. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think any of these are keepers. Let me know how Emma did, and we'll just go from there. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.